Hi friends, welcome back on my channel. Today I will discuss about JAIIB, that is conducted by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, and this is the first exam conducted by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance for all bankers. This is for every bankers, either you are a member of IIBF or non-member. If you are member of IIBF, you will get some rebate on all your examinations which were conducted by IIBF. And if you are non-member, then you have to pay more. For members, all staff of banking and finance sector can be members. JIB is conducted for all officers, award staff or junior associates. Award staff or clerk, that is same. In SBI they are called junior associates. And as per the 11th bipartite which concluded recently, they have given subordinate staff also, those who are daftari or other man working in the bank may give the JIB examination to increase their pay and perks. So now come to the examination. Basically 3 books are there, and as per IIBF they should be of Macmillan. Friends, one thing I want to clear, that Macmillan book is more than enough for either JIB or CAIB. So you please go through that. Don't think it's lengthy or bulky, but approx 90% questions are coming from that book only. So you purchase the latest edition. Once again I repeat, you purchase the latest edition of Macmillan book. For latest edition you can see on IIBF site, and then purchase the book. As from last year onwards, they have added ethics of banking in principle and practices of banking only, and it contains at least 30% marks. As I have given in JIB in 2019, so as per my experience, at least 30% marks are coming from this ethics. So whenever you are studying principle and practices of banking, you must go through the ethics of banking, which is a small booklet given with principles and practices of banking. Those who have purchased after 19, they must have got that, and those who are studying with the old books, please go and get it. And second is accounting and finance for bankers. This is basically more or less based on accounting, and those students who are having economic backgrounds, they are good in this. And third one is legal and regulatory aspects of banking. First and third subject is more or less, some chapters are coinciding with each other. If you will go through this principle of practices and banking, some chapter will come in legal and regulatory aspects also. Now rewards. Those who will qualify JIB, either officer, clerk or subordinate, they will get 1 increment as per the 11th bipartite. And friends, one thing more I want to add here, not only in your increment, your monetary benefit, your reputation will also increase in your organization wherever you are working. So you qualify JIB and increase your reputation also, apart from monetary benefit. Now come to the pattern. Basically pattern, 3 subjects, each subject having 100 marks with 120 minutes of time, and marking is 0.5, that is half marks. For a small type question, that will be straightforward questions that RBI has established on so and so rule. They will give 4 options and you will have to choose the correct one. If you do the correct, you will get 0.5. There is no negative mark till last year. Once again I repeat, there is no negative mark till last year. So you attempt all 100 questions. Second is 1 marks question, more or less some lengthy case study will be given, then you have to choose. If you are correct you will get 1, or if you are wrong then you will get 0. And most of the numericals are coming in that section which contains 2 marks. So whenever you are doing numericals or case study, you will get 2 marks for your correct answers. And friends, the life or the GIB pattern is just like chakra. Half the chakra you have to do and you will get the result in the next half. So be sincere and go through the books sincerely. Thank you very much. If you feel that this is good, the video is good, you may like, subscribe